Animal Company just added a new mode, and as usual, when we get like in Animal Company, we are in adventure mode. Now, when they added this space update, the rocket up there is this thing. And do you know what is new? The arena beta. Now, we are going to get inside there, and I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know. Now, this arena mode, you can play with your friends, and there's infinite shotguns and revolvers, and you have to mine, and you can even play it in public lobbies. Now let me get in and show you the place. Okay, this is the place. Now you're gonna be with people, and oh, did you see that? Now I'm in Team Red, and you can be in Team Blue. So Team Red and Team Blue. Now you can choose this if you want to. If you're like have 4 friends and oh, this is so fun, my boy! Go, 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 go! Ah! Damn, they're super hard. No!
No, you should have done that.
Got one. Woo! Let's go, got him. No,
Yeah,
my
this is
bad.
bad. I'm gonna protect this guy while he's ready.
Yeah, my boy.
I'm like level.
Hell yeah! Thank you. Let's go, let's go. Everybody's in. Got him. Whoa!
They're coming in. They're coming in.
Run.
There's a whole bunch of them.
I'm gonna go mine. I'm gonna go mine their orbs.
Somebody up right.
No, they got me! Everything I said about the shotgun. Come here, boy! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Woo!
Okay.
Oh wait, we can't even revive. Let's go.
Don't me. Good.
Yo, everyone.
It feels like aerosoft, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Woo! What's up? Give me that. Let's go.
Stop! You put on.
Keep mining, boys. Got him. Keep mining. Woo! Bruh, behind you! No! We gotta win! How much? Are we a lot?
We need to defend us. We need to defend us.
Hey, get out of here! Let's go. Is he dead? I think so. He died.
Watch your outside, I'll watch this side.
Oh my god, he killed me! Take your ass, boy! Dead! Hell yeah, bro! Wait, this skill worked! Are we winning?
Yes!
Got him! This is so much fun! Yo, we be playing airsoft in here! You mine the orb! No one gonna come in here! We're gonna win! We're gonna win! Ow! Frick. I think they're mining our orbs! Guys, protect our orbs! Wait, what? How did I die?
We need to
Get up!
We need to.
Hell yeah, die! Let's go.
Stop.
Guys, people coming.
No, mighty orbs! No, we got, no, they won! No, that was so much fun!
Let's go! I'm a legend!
Ah! Yeah, that was super fun! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and